This is the Thermaltake Core M9 case, which is dedicated for miners again. We are seeing a lot of mining dedicated cases, and this is Thermaltake's answer to that. It has stacked design, so there's room for components on the bottom and on the top. The top chamber consists of 7 slots. I believe there's 7. Yes, there are 7 slots for GPUs. As you can see, there are 7 GPUs installed. These are 1070 Ti's, and on the bottom the chamber is used for the motherboard and your PSUs. There are vents on the 2 sides which can be removed. The dust filters can be removed for easy cleaning and to let out the incredible amount of heat being generated inside. On the front you can see there can be 4 fans installed. I believe these are 120mm fans. Thermaltake has installed RGB fans on them. I believe these are the new ring fans. On the bottom there are 4 fans as well for the main components. This side you can see that there are 2 more dust filters for the vents as well. The top can be of course covered, which will have additional dust filters. As you can see, this is the top filter. There's a big dust filter on the top for the vent, and that's where the GPUs will be stacked. So this is where all the heat will come out from. At the back you can see that these are the GPUs on the top chamber. On the bottom you can see this is I think this is called the Tough Power IRGB Plus PSU. Both the PSUs are 1200 watts and they can be installed and connected to all the GPUs that are installed on the top. Here is the motherboard. So Thermaltake, along with the chassis, is also showing off the software that they are using. So this is the software that helps you monitor the health and the wattage and every little detail you need to know about the system and the components running. And this is currently they are mining for Ethereum, and they have a hash rate of around 272, which is massive. And in this software you can see that you can monitor the temperature. The fan speed is switched off. I'm not sure because they might not be using the proper controllers. They can monitor the wattage, the voltage and the current also coming in. This is a section for the CPU. I believe they can add more monitoring stats for the other components as well, but the CPU and the GPU are the ones which are only necessary. So that's all from the M9 chassis, Thermaltake's own mining rig.